Question 15. What is the mean of 1.2 recurring and 2.1 recurring? So what we're going to do is we're going to add the two together. 1.2 recurring actually looks like this. 2.1 recurring looks like this. The recurring bit means if we've got 1.2 recurring, it means that that 2 goes on forever. 2.1 recurring, this 1 goes on forever. So what we're going to do, we're going to add those two together. So we actually have a recurring number here. We are looking at 3.3 recurring, but that's not what we need right now because we need to find the mean. The mean means we add two numbers together and then we divide by the number of numbers. And there are two numbers, so we're going to divide here. And so this becomes a 1, carry 1, gives us 6, carry 1, 6, carry 1, 6, carry 1. Get to see the pattern? And so this number becomes 1.6 recurring, and therefore the answer is A. Neat little question. Answer comes out quite quickly if you understand what's happening with the mean. The mean equals the sum of the totals, the answers, the frequencies, whatever you want to call, sum of the items. And then you divide it by the number of items. Examiners and challenge question setters like to just throw mean questions in there because there's a formula that you should be aware of using it. You are likely to know how to use it, but you're using it in an unfamiliar context. This is not a question that you would normally get on an exam question usually. Challenge makes you think a little bit harder. It makes you apply the things that you know to different situations. I've never ever seen a question that requires the mean of a recurring decimal before. It just looks strange. As you can see, it is quite a neat answer. The workings for it is quite a neat way of getting there. It's interesting. I think it's pretty, but that's just me.